Somebody commented on my squeaky door. Man, it ain't a truck if it ain't got squeak in it. Alright, before we get started today, somebody left me a gift on my truck, and I just wanted to give them a shout out. Left me a letter from James. I am terrible with names. Scalala Plumbing and Heating. Here, this is the name. He left me a shirt there, so that's his last name. So that's pretty cool. Same, good size too. As you guys know, I kind of chunked up a little bit. I'm at an extra large, a double extra large now. But he left me a note. It's pretty cute. I like watching your videos. Just wanted to take a picture of your truck. Wife says you'll never wear my shirt in one of your videos. Please prove her wrong. That was cute. Stay safe, Mike. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, I will wear your shirts. So I like shirts like this. This is cool. This is cool. So anyway, all right, Mike. Well, thanks a lot. Let's get going. We're gonna head down to Aberdeen, Maryland, and go pick up our load. We got loaded up. It's the same stuff I haul out of Michigan, but this stuff's going to Florida. So you can see right there. So I just kind of threw the tarps on it. I still have to tighten the straps. I just wanted to get out of there. It's a lot easier to do it out here. I can do it at my own pace. Same thing as the last time. I got to put some straps on the back there, and then on the front up there too. But it won't take me long to make this look pretty, and then we'll get going. So all right, I'm gonna finish this up, we'll get going, and then we're gonna make our way down through Baltimore, Washington DC, and try to get out of here before the traffic gets too bad. We came over here this morning, traffic was not that bad. I was kind of surprised. So let me get this done, talk to you in a bit. down here to Emporia, Virginia. We're gonna take our 30-minute break, and then we're gonna go a little bit further down into North Carolina. But since I had some good light out here, I would show you guys my tarp job. It come out pretty good. Today's video is sponsored by Dorsey Trailer. There's a link down in the description. Want more information, check them out. I thought I'd leave the lights on so you guys could see the lights. A lot of you guys like the little LED lights on the trailer. But it's holding up good. Got about 40,000 pounds. So it's riding pretty good. I actually did pretty good getting through Baltimore, Washington, D.C. Ran into a couple backups, but for the most part, did pretty good. Not too bad. I don't know if you guys can see it. My finger doesn't get in the way, but the moon is out there. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty cool. We're at the little Pilot, or not little, but this used to be the Sadler truck stop. Got 5 guys over here, but they were closed. I was gonna go get me a burger, but they were closed. That's probably in my best interest not to eat a hamburger anyway. But we got about another 10 minutes. We'll be done with our 30-minute break. Check out the truck here. Got the lights on, everything looking pretty good. Truck's doing all right. But got about another, probably gonna go about another 2 hours down to Kinley, North Carolina, and hang out there. Somebody commented on my squeaky door. Man, it ain't a truck if it ain't got a squeak in it. Anyway, all right, let me finish up my break here and we'll get going. I'll call it quits for tonight. How about that? Because it's gonna be late time I get there. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.